Hi guys, I just wanted to give you a quick update on where we are concerning geological things that are going on. First, start at the Palma volcano, and you can see from this graph that the activity, don't worry about this gap here, this was just a gap of missed information because I saved over the file, but look at the earthquake activity, no more. And this is from now. Well, this is from April onwards, and you can see how close together all these earthquakes are. And if there's magnitudes added together, meaning there's like 3 earthquakes, 4 earthquakes in one day, you'll see the bigger spike here. But you can see from how close and densely together they are, how active it's been recently. And move on to the earthquakes. This is a daily update. You can see from 2017 till now, we have a spike there, and we have a spike here, August 2018, we have a spike here, May 2019, and then this is 2020, man, January time. And then another spike, and then another spike in 2020. Where we're at now, you can see that the earthquake's never really dropped down to a low, and it's gone up like this, and now it's holding a really strong average of 15. So it's, by looking at this graph, you can see it's actually on the move. So this looks like it's actually going to go up further. And actually the month average, look at the month average, the way it's going at the moment, I believe that at the end of this month, that this average here is going to be higher. So then you'll have like 4 months where it's actually rising. So you have an average here of 9, 10, 13.6. I believe that the way things are going at the moment, that this average here is going to exceed higher, so then you see a big rise in the monthly average data. So things are on the move. Things are, whoops. So this is the volcano graph, and where we're at the moment, in fact, about 4 weeks ago, the 12th of July, we were at a level of 37 volcanoes, either major or minor activity. And you can see it's jumped from 37, but you can see it by the graph, 37 up to 43. 43 is the highest level it's hit in all this time of this graph. So since October 2018. There is another graph here. You can see that this is the rise here, but this seems to be a bit of a stupid drop. I think what they did maybe was remove the load of volcanoes off it. So I go from this time, and then you can see the rise. Actually, we're at the time during a massive rise now. That time there was October 2019 again. And again, December through to January into 2020. So the volcanoes at the moment are on a rise, big move from 37 to 43. And Yellowstone, not much difference, but let's just have a Yellowstone. Yeah, Yellowstone, as you can see, it's nice and flowing. up and down and up and down and up and down. These are seasonal here, obviously discharge the amount discharge the amount of steam that comes off it. Up and down and up and down and up and down. You can see it's seasonal. May time is where it gives off the most steam and it's dropped down. But what's interesting about this one is it's kind of a bit niggly at the bottom here, but we'll have to wait and see. So if this starts to rise up unseasonably, we'll know something's going on. At the moment, this discharge should stay low, like it has done all these years. Water temperature, actually it's hit like the highest it has done in other years, but you can see it's a lot stronger this year. And as the Throne of God Nibiru comes in, you'll see the surface water temperature go higher because of the magma boiling to the surface. So Yellowstone not showing any actual signs at the moment. Gauge height pretty much follows the discharge, doesn't it? So just wanted to give you a quick update on the geological signs, because as the Throne of God Nibiru comes in to pass over Earth on the 6th seal, all these effects will start happening. The primary being earthquakes will increase, as we've seen from the graphs. They already look like they're increasing. Volcano eruptions will follow suit. Electrical storms will get worse, or weird. Land cracks in the land, sinkholes, meteorites, because the tail contains lots of meteorites and asteroids. Sinkholes, Yellowstone, steaming, maybe even dries out. Obviously homosexuality being across the United States, but that's already happened. Storms being more fierce. Landslides, auroras, war outbreak, and even blood rain falling out of the sky. So I've been Pastor Justin Roberts from the End of the Age Bible Prophecy. So God bless you all, and eyes open, be sober, and watch for the coming of the Lord in His throne, Nibiru.